ST is one of the leading companies working in NFC technology, and it is instrumental for ST to be part of NFC Forum because it is a place to shape the future of the NFC technology. It is the place where we can define suitable and interoperable specification for the market and to answer to the market. To be as a board member is a big opportunity for ST to be part of the company which are deciding and which are shaping the future of the NFC Forum. In the past it was a success and we have a lot of challenges which are ahead of us and we need to identify correctly to serve the market and to take the good decision. We manage to stable specification which is today used by a lot of people daily. But if I can pick up three things. One, NFC Forum managed to define a specification which takes into account the challenges of the mobile phone industry. Second, NFC Forum define valuable asset, which is the NDF format, which is used daily. Finally, the third point will be the certification program, which is used and to ensure to all our customers that everything which is defined at NFC Forum level is usable and is working. The future will be to address the challenges which are ahead of us. Of course, we have the smart home to get access to the home and to configure all the devices that we may have in the home. We have also the healthcare to get access to the data which are logged by the different devices. And we have also the wireless charging. So it's not new, but it's ramping up. NFC technology is a complementary technology to what is currently existing. We have a lot of opportunities to address a market dedicated to IoT devices, earbuds or other stuff like this. And finally, we have something which is coming from the European regulation, which is the DPP. And we have, as a standardization organization, to do our best to ensure and to give the more benefits to the consumer what we can of this technology. Digital passport is coming from a regulation which has been defined by the European Commission. A lot of people used to see this kind of regulation as a constraint, but in fact, it can bring added value to your customer and to your product. At NFC Forum level and at STMicroelectronics level, we are sure that the usage of the NFC technology may bring on top of the DPP an added value to what shall be provided to the consumer. So that's why we want to develop the DPP. Today, at the European Commission, there is the definition and the requirement of different technologies. There is the QR code and also RFID and others. We want to be sure in ST and in NFC Forum that the NFC technology will be part of the possible required technology. We want to let the choice to implementers to implement what he wants to give the best user experience to their consumer. Since the beginning, NFC Forum showed a lot of flexibility and agility to address new markets. So it was the case in the last few years with the launch of the Car Connectivity Consortium certification program, which allows to test CCC devices. We have new markets which are popping up, and we rely on NFC Forum to give support to every company or every stakeholder or customer who needs to standardize and to have recognized use case. So I encourage all people who have any idea to join the forum and to share their concern and their idea with all the NFC Forum to bring a new specification. To voice themselves and to raise topics they may want to address, and they may exchange their ideas against different companies, which may be competitors, customers, or other standardization organizations, and to be sure that we all talk the same language and we all provide something which will be valuable and convenient for the consumer.